Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. So you're probably thinking this is not my normal studio where I normally used to sit. No, you're totally right. Today we're going to do an unboxing. I don't have a studio for doing unboxing. Normally, I could sit in front of my PC and just, take up the item. But in this case, it's too big. We're going to unbox something really big and it can't be at my PC right now. I have to make space for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox in my couch. Yeah, I'm sitting in my couch. So we're going to unbox in the couch, and I think it will be fun. It will be really fun. So you're probably thinking, what am I actually unboxing right now? And let me show you that. In front of me we have the new MSI Optix MPG341CQR curved gaming monitor. And it has been an innovation. It has received an innovation award at CES 2019, and it should be one of the best widescreen gamer screens on the market at the moment. If we go a bit closer, we can actually see the specs. So first of all, it has curved gaming. It has a resolution that is 3440 to 1440. It has gaming OSD apps. It has HDR 400. It has mystical Rgb lighting, so that means even behind the screen you can have lighting in the screen, so you can have like RGB effects in the screen. It has a refresh rate on 144 Hz. I know that new gamer screens like they showed at this year's CES has 360, but 144 is enough for me. It has 1 ms, and that's pretty impressive because a lot of screens with widescreen gaming doesn't have 1 ms, they all have 4 or 5 ms. So this is quite cool. And also it has night vision, and I have no idea what that is. So that is the specs on the very nice, the CES Innovation Award. So that is the screen that I'm going to unbox, and it's going to be my new main game screen. Yeah, let's start unboxing. So first of all, we have things that need to be cut up. Check content if seal is broken. It is not. So it must mean that I'm the first one who's opening it, luckily enough. Was that everything? I have to get those out. 1, 2. Ho ho ho! True gaming, true gaming. Okay. Fragile. Oh, it smells like new screen. Don't you know the smell of new screen? It's probably just me because I buy a new screen every month. So it's like... What does it say? It's fragile. Do not push down on the screen. You have to use a screwdriver. Don't put down the screen. What does that mean? Hands, not hands in the side, hands below. Okay. So I can't take the flamingo up. I have to use a and now we are breaking the seal. No way back to returning this monster. Oh yeah. Okay, so it shows like we have something here. It looks like it's some kind of a stand. Okay, we'll put you down there. It has another weird thing. Oh, that's the mouse. This one is to holding your mouse. So it's like it's sticking out in the air, and then you can put your mouse cable in here, and then it will always be nice, your mouse. This thing looks like it's some kind of a monitoring thing. What else do we have? We have a HDMI cable. Who is using a HDMI for gaming? And here we have the display port. That is the one that you have to use if you want to use 144 Hz. The HDMI doesn't support that. What is that? That is USB 3. Oh, that's pretty cool. So if you have a computer that supports USB 3 screens, You can also use that. It's pretty cool. The power cable. And some kind of a gift. I think I'm getting a Steam gift card or something like that. Interesting. Screws. Okay, I haven't seen so many screws for a screen before. Okay, I managed to get this one out of the box. Trust me, it wasn't easy. So now this one is out of the box, and let's try to see what's behind it. So first of all, we have some kind of a... Oh, this is the food. So this one is going to be the food of the screen. It's actually quite big and very heavy. I think it's probably like 10 kilograms. What is that? That is the... Oh, that's the... I can't remember what it's called in English, but that's the stand. That's going to be the one that is holding it. That's a unicorn, by the way. Do we have anything else here below? No. Okay, then we are ready to... Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. That is the screen. The screen itself. 34 inches. It is amazing. What does this one say? 34 inch, 86.4 centimeters, 60 watts, and it's Type C, MSI. Okay. Standard. That's the thing we already have seen. It actually has a webcam inbuilt. Yeah, it has a webcam. So if you're one of those guys who are really paranoid that someone is looking at you, yes, it has a webcam. What can we see below it? It has a power button, then something that can be attached. I guess this is the panel, the Rgb lights, and it has some kind of a button over here. Not sure what that is doing. Okay, let's see what's on the other side of it. Here we go. So here we have the screen behind. It has this very nice, I think all this Rgb light, so it's all going to light up eventually, or else it's only in here. Something. It has a... Oh, that's the mini button, so you can put it to the side and click on it. It has a very nice MSI logo. It has a HDMI display port, USB-C, upstream, USB 3, and what is that? Looks like a microphone. Okay, that's cool. You can use it like a dongle, and then I guess we have to attach it. So I'm gonna build this screen and then I will be back. I mean, I guess you're okay with I'm just building it without you watching, so be right back. Here you go, everyone. This is the screen. It is big. It is very big. This is the footer it has. So it has like these sexy strings and a funny body. So you can like turn it all around if you want. It's pretty cool. Let's see how it looks behind. This is behind when it stands. So in overall, I would say it's a pretty sexy screen. It is. It's definitely very, very beautiful. So let's try cable it on and see how it works in action. And here we are. It is finally set up. It is the screen we see here. And it is gorgeous. And together with my default setup, it actually blends quite good in. I mean, it's really cool. I mean, if I sit down here, we can really see that it's a big screen. I mean, we have a small screen, and then we have the big ultra one. And look at that RGB. That is perfect. I have to make it matched so it looks blue with my other gear. But I think that's probably in the settings, I hope. Yeah, I mean, wasn't there supposed not to be something behind it also? Oh yeah, there's also RGB effects behind it. It's pretty sick. So I am super ready to play ultra-wide games. It will be so fun. Should we just for fun go into a game and see how it looks? And here we are. As we can see, we have the game here itself. If you look here, you maybe can see my mouse here, but if you take a look here, so here you can see that we have the mod here. So normally, if I used a normal screen like this one, I would only be able to see here, and over here I would only be able to see here. So I still get like a so big piece here and so big piece here. So let's try for fun, go into the settings and change it back to a normal one. So my normal resolution, what I used to do before, and here you see it's only the mod we have there, and over here we can't even see the crystal. So it's actually a big piece we are getting additionally. It is really nice. I mean, look at that. Look at that, man. And if I just look around the map, I mean, there's so much I can see at the same time. That is really insane. And I can even see that Albion Online also has. I mean, look at how much I can see on my screen right now. It is awesome. I mean, you can just run around, and with this screen it's actually getting harder for people to gang you out in the wild, because now you can actually see their name popping up before they can actually see you as if they're having a normal screen. So that is pretty badass. So everyone, thanks for watching. It was a pleasure making this unboxing. I know I probably don't have like the best items, you know, camera and all that for creating a video like this, but still, I mean, it's a honest video. I'm showing the screen. As you can see here, I just went into Elder Scrolls Online. It's a fantastic MMORPG. It has some small things, but in the end it's actually a pretty cool game, and the new expansion for it looks fine. So everyone, thanks for watching this video. It was a pleasure doing this video. You all have now seen my new screen, and I can't wait to play Corpunk on it, just for the people out there who knows Corpunk. So thanks for watching everyone, see you in another video, and have a nice day.